During the Child and Youth Wellbeing Review, we heard from experts, researchers, educators, and most importantly, we listened to youth and their families about how the pandemic impacted the mental health and well-being of young Albertans.
The last few years have been challenging for everyone, but especially for children and youth. That's why we're working together across government to help kids and families who are most impacted by the pandemic. Our plan includes supports available right now, but also what we need to address moving forward and how we can make sure access is consistent across the province. In Children's Services, we're investing more into our family resource network so more Albertans, especially in rural and remote areas, have access to timely mental health and well-being services both in person or online.
We're investing $110 million over 3 years, including $30 million next school year to provide targeted school supports for students experiencing both academic and mental health challenges. It's very important to us that our children have the supports they need in this upcoming school year. We are also exploring a research project on how we can improve school nutrition in Alberta, and we're going to provide nonprofits with grants to collaborate with school authorities on school nutrition programs right across the province so that every student in Alberta has access to healthy lunches and snacks, again critical for their learning. We'll be releasing more details on these important initiatives very, very soon.
Supporting children and youth to improve their mental health is a top priority for this government. Coming out of this review, we're taking action to provide prevention, early intervention supports in schools as part of the recovery-oriented system of care. Our goal is to ensure that every child has the support that they need to improve their mental wellness and lead a full and healthy life.
We are increasing funding to the Canadian Mental Health Association so they can provide additional drop-in support groups for parents of children and youth with mental health and addiction issues. And we are expanding online and phone mental health supports, including the Kids Help Phone and the Mental Health and Addiction Helpline.
The opportunity to get outside and play and be active is so important for the physical, social, and mental well-being of children and youth. I'm so excited to be working with Kids Sport to improve access to sport and recreation for children and youth. And our government is also matching donations to the Sport, Physical Activity and Recreation Fund program, which will help create new opportunities for kids to play all across Alberta.
Alberta's government is investing record amounts to improve broadband internet services. This was going to make it easier for children and youth from every corner in the province, including rural, remote, and Indigenous communities, to stay connected and access online mental health supports.